Yay! Last of my new egg order has arrived. Haha. Time to build a computer. Motherboard. P6X58D Premium Asus. Go back panel here. Corsair 24 gig RAM. DDR3. Zotac. Graphics cards, two of them. GeForce GTX 450s. Intel i7. That's a 970. See it down there? Turn the light on. The 976 core. I got a good read on it. Yeah, my camera's still blurry. Anyway, yeah, cool beans. I got a Roswell, sorry, power supply, 1000 watt, bronze. The part number on right there. There you go. Got an AverMedia graphics card. Oh, sorry, video capture card, not graphics card. Those are those things over here. Graphics cards, jeepers. Anyway, video capture card. 1T Western Digital, 1 terabyte freaking hard drive. I have a LightScribe HP DVD burner writer, as well as an LG Blu-ray burner reader. All that fun stuff. So I'm going to put all this shit together and hopefully come up with a computer. So yeah, there we go. A collection of computer parts. Time to assemble. Yay!